Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and this is just a short video with an update on yesterday's challenge with opening the browser window from a QuoteWerks script. The good news is I've found a way around it. Yesterday, if you recall, we were prompting the user with a yes/no message. If they hit yes, then it would open the What3Words link in a separate browser. The way around it that I've found is to instead prompt the user and offer them a click this link type of message in order to open it. It's just using an A tag. Anybody familiar with HTML will recognize that, and we're just passing that What3Words URL to the link. So let's see that in action. Let's go to our workspace. Let's select our contact, and we'll do it for the ship to. Bottom right, we'll get our toast to say that the tax details have been successfully updated, and here we've got our prompt. Location words are water, not talking. You can open this in a browser by clicking this link, and sure enough, if I click this link, there we go. We have What3Words opening. So I'd still like to be able to do it the way with the yes/no option, but there is an alternative way to be able to get the same functionality. If you'd like to know more, contact us through the website hilltopsit.co.uk. There's the number on the home screen, or email addresses. You can find those on the Contact Us page. Hope this has been useful. No doubt be speaking to you soon.